Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice water for your face. First, take about 1/2 cup of your favorite rice and rinse it well under cool water. This step is important to remove any dirt or excess starch. Next, place the clean rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of fresh water. Allow the rice to soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour, letting the beneficial properties infuse into the water. Finally, strain the liquid into a clean container, and you're ready for the next step. For a more potent option, consider fermented rice water. After soaking and straining, collect the rice water in a clean jar. Cover it loosely to allow air circulation, then let it sit at room temperature for about 24 hours. You'll notice a slightly sour smell, indicating fermentation. Before use, dilute this concentrated water with 1 to 2 parts fresh water. This method enhances the antioxidant and amino acid content, offering even more benefits for your skin. Another effective way to prepare rice water is by boiling. Start by combining 1/2 cup of rice with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently. Continue cooking until the rice becomes very soft, which usually takes around 15 minutes. Once cooked, strain the thick, starchy water into a clean bowl. This method yields a more concentrated solution, perfect for a nourishing facial treatment. Now that you have your rice water, let's talk about how to use it. After cleansing your face, simply apply the rice water using a cotton pad, gently dabbing it all over. Let it sit on your skin for about 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water. For optimal results, incorporate this into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Remember to store any unused rice water in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.